Thank you, Lord, I'm gliding. Perfect day for riding. 500 in front of me, and I'm right here where I want to be. It's a beautiful day, and I thank God for it all. I'm traveling tall.
Taking it for its first rip. If I sound muffled, it's because I got this full face mask thing on, because it's cold out here. But this exhaust sounds good, boy, this bike. Oh, we merge in the same lane. Okay. Just wait your time, you'll get some room. And we're on cold tires. Get out of my way, let me ride. I guess this lane ends since nobody's over here. I'll hold off a little bit till I get an opening in traffic. When I get an opening, I'm gonna let it rip though. Alright, see you, man. It is a beautiful day today. Just came up from Zippers. Had to throw a little bit of gas in it. When I was leaving Zippers, I came out, twisted the throttle, the rear tire spin, and the front tire came up. I said, oh no, I gotta make sure that I got the proper amount of temperature on these tires. Got some heat in these tires. So it's trying to hook, but this thing is coming on. Oh, that thing's still spinning. Good night. How many miles I got on these tires? I got 6,000 miles on it. I'm gonna have to put something else on this, because this ain't gonna work. Why do you do that? Y'all saw that? Do that at that car. Yeah, not gonna happen, guys. Not today. But guess what? We headed to the track. So this video was supposed to be me at the track, and I'm going to show you a little clip of that and see if you can figure out why I'm extending this video. And I'm going to show you my first pass at the drag track. I don't want my feet in the water. Okay. Where? Right there? Doggone it, I spent the whole time. I didn't get on this two-step and it spent the whole time. catch Kyle. He was gone by that time. But this son of a gun will run. But I gotta let some more air out the tires and get ready and get prepared. I couldn't catch you. I was spinning and couldn't. You was gone by the time I even tried to hook up. Traction. All that power, couldn't get any traction. The bike just kept on spinning. It was just unreal. No traction at all. So what did I do? I came back to Tennessee, called up Bobby at Hard Luck Cycles in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. I'm getting some new tires put on my motorcycle. Y'all ready for the tires? That motorcycle only has like 6,000 miles on the tires. The problem is there's something called heat cycling where I'm going 700 miles a day, running down the road when I was on my way down to Florida. Then the tires cool off, do it again the next day, do it again. Those tires they looked like they had tread. The compound was really hard, I guess, from the heat cycling of the tires. So even though they only had 6,000 miles on it and they look good, they just wasn't very good for hooking up at the track. Because this bike is still an everyday riding motorcycle, right? So I got some new tires with stickier rubber that I'm gonna be putting on there to hopefully make better passes at the drag track. I'm gonna show you those tires in a minute, but let me show you some other passes and I'll explain some of that stuff. Let me just show you. You might as well see it. It wasn't the day that I wanted at the track. The bike is really fast. You can see once it hooked up, it was gone. It won't do it. Too much. Take a lot out of that two-step and we'll be good to go. That 120, that's not true. I don't know why Harley tops it out at 120. The bike goes faster than 120, but the speedometer will only show 120 miles per hour. We're gonna get those tires changed over. I'm gonna show you a couple more passes. Let me let you watch a little bit more of this video. All it did was spin the whole time. Unless they're gonna let us go like right now, then no. You know what I mean?
Looks like you're gonna have to wait behind all the cars.
Yeah, it didn't end on a high note like I wanted it to, but that's all good.
It's the track.
Yeah. There's a bunch of good tire manufacturers out there, but for someone who wants to do everything, touring and a little bit of spirited riding, Michelin, only way to go. So I got the Commander 3s right here, right there. They're gonna get put on the bike, and then I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna make some more passes on it really soon. Bobby, you wanna show them what you just showed me?
So this right here is the manufacturer date on the tire. It's the 4th month, 5th day, or the 4th day of the 5th month, the 23rd year.
Okay.
So
they're not old. I mean,
No,
they're
they're
just,
not old.
Yeah. It's just, but that's a good way for you guys. You have to find out, like, you can see all this other stuff on the tire, but if you can find that right here, that's how you can tell how old your tire is. I was at the drag strip the other night. This one's kind of square now, but it's a little, the compound is really hard, and I want something with a little bit softer compound to be able to hook up. A video that's soon to come, you'll see me with the new bike, with new tires at the track. It's put back together. New tires on the back, new tires on the front. I ought to get a little bit more traction, huh?
you should.
Yeah. Those Michelin guys, Commander 3s, they look good. They're good looking tread pattern too. Guys, I'm gonna give you guys a full review of those new Michelins because I'm gonna be putting some miles on them. I'm expecting for them to do well because I had them on another bike before and I absolutely loved them. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget, give Bobby a call.
653141669.
Hard Luck Cycles, and you do what here?
Everything. People's dreams come true. That's what we do.
He makes people's dreams come true right in the heart of Glow City, AKA, well, Oak Ridge, AKA Glow City. They don't call it Glow City no more, do they?
The secret city.
Oh, okay, sorry, the secret city. Thanks, Bobby.
Yes, sir.